Me Plus You Garage. Today we're going to be doing a tire rotation on the Tesla Model 3. We're going to be using the QUICKJACK and Tesla pucks. Any links will be in the description box below. Since we have an all-wheel drive car, we're going to be following what's called a X pattern tire rotation. Depending on your car's type, drive, and tire wear, you may be using different type of rotation patterns. So make sure you check online or check with your manual to see what type of rotation you should be doing. In order to maximize the useful life of your tires, you're going to want to be rotating your tires about every 5,000 miles. Next step is to loosen the lug nuts with the 21 millimeter. Then we lift. So since we're doing the X pattern, this one came from the rear passenger. We're going to move it to the front driver. From the front passenger, and now we're moving it to the rear driver. Now that we have the car lowered all the way, we are going to torque the lug nut to 129 foot-pounds. So, how a torque wrench works is that it'll click when you've reached the set torque. Make sure you use the star pattern when tightening your lug nuts. Thank you for watching another episode of Me and You Garage. All of our links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. See you next time.